Where is it? Where is it? Oh, hello there. Good to see you again. Excuse me. There it is. Got it. I've just squashed, well, it's a sort of squash thingy, really, isn't it? The trouble is, they get absolutely everywhere. I think I got one in here earlier. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, another squashed thingy. In fact, I've been squashing thingies all day. Look at that. Not a pretty sight. Come and have a look at this. Now, to make a squashed thingy, just take a piece of drawing paper and on it draw a splat shape. It's a sort of blobby, wobbly flower shape, really. Just to all splat it out like that. And then on it, draw some splattered facial features. Now, make it look as if it's been really trodden on. So, do those facial features all over the place. They don't have to look like real features, because after all, this is just a squashed, well, thingy. Look at that, really gruesome. Tongue hanging out and everything there. That's it. That's really splattered out. And then you can add in other things like little arms. Again, splayed out like that. And little legs. And you can put other bits and pieces on if you want to. A little leg out there. I think one out there as well. And now it really does look very squashed. And then colour it in. Now start by colouring it in a light colour to start with. And it's a good idea just to make sure that your outline is dry before you colour it in. I'm all right because everything dries really quickly in my studio lights. So hot. And then when you've coloured all of those splats in the light colour, just take a darker colour and just go round the outside edge of all of those splats, just to make it look slightly 3D. And you make those splats look really splodgy. And what this is doing really is just putting a shadow around the edge and making it look 3D. And now it really does look squashed. And then if you colour in the arms, legs and all the other little bits and pieces that you draw, cut it out, you will have something that looks like that. A squash thingy. Or you could try a different coloured squash thingy, like that. Or what about adding on some different features, like that squash thingy? And what do you do with them? Well, you place them somewhere so that they look as if they've been squashed. You can place them in your books. They make great bookmarks. You can cover them in sticky back plastic and squash them with your cup. Perfect to protect the furniture. You can even stick them on the back of your school file. Ouch. And what about this? Make some extra blobby bits, put some sticky tack on the back, carefully stick it to your window, and it looks as if he's flown into the window and really splattered. Try it yourself. A squash thingy. Ugh.
Hello! Yes, it's me, the head. Now, those squashed things are great, aren't they? All you do is draw a blobby, wobbly flower shape onto paper, draw in some funny squashed facial features and some little arms and legs. Colour it lighter in the middle and darker around the edges so it looks nice and squashed. Carefully cut it out to get your own squashed thing that you can put wherever you like. And you can do loads and loads of different designs. Just keep making them. Hey, and you can even play tricks on people. You can leave your squashed thing on a chair. So someone thinks they've sat in something. Now, is that funny?